Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Kotlin Android development with Android Studio, full guide step by step clearly. First, ensure your computer meets the system requirements for Android Studio. Go to the official Android Studio website. Download the latest version of Android Studio. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file. Run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts. Choose the installation options that suit your needs. Once the installation is finished, launch Android Studio. On the welcome screen, select Start a new Android Studio project. Choose a project template that matches your application type. Click Next to proceed. Enter your application name and package name. Select Kotlin as the programming language. Choose the minimum API level for your application. Click Finish to create your project. Wait for Android Studio to build your project. Once the build is complete, you will see the project layout. Open the main.activity.kt file found in the Java directory. This is where you'll write your Kotlin code for the main activity. Expand the res folder to access resources like layouts and strings. Open the activity_main.xml file to design the layout of your application. Use the drag and drop editor or directly edit the XML code. Add UI components, such as buttons and text views, as needed. Return to the main.activity.kt file to link your UI components. Use findViewById to reference your UI elements in Kotlin. Implement any required functionality for your application. Once you are satisfied with the code, run your application. Click on the green Play button in Android Studio. Select a virtual device or a connected physical device for testing. Wait for the emulator or device to launch. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.